This is an AT or auto-tube cleaning used for condenser unit to stabilize efficiency. And this is a sponge ball to enter into the copper pipes to remove sludge and dirt. This is a huge condenser unit. First, close both service valve at the discharge and suction line to prevent unnecessary damage to the system, ensuring for the safety of service personnel as well as now, remove all bolts and nuts on top of the strainer attached to the pump. After removing all bolts and nuts, apply pressure to remove the top cover. It's not that easy to remove because sometimes it gets stuck. And once it pulls out together with the strainer, the existing sponge ball was at fault as it was submerged in water for more than 90 days before the next service. Now we're slowly taking out those old sponge ball. It looks like the toy I had. And this is the strainer stuff. Once we separate it from top cover, position to put back inside the chamber. Now, fill in the new sponge ball into the strainer. This is 100 pieces per pack for your information. These Condenser 2 cleaning balls and rubber sponge balls are perfect for ensuring optimal performance in heat exchangers and chillers. Condenser 2 cleaning balls are typically made of sponge rubber and are designed to be soft and flexible, minimizing the risk of damage to the delicate tubes while effectively removing falling and scale. They come in various sizes, shapes, and hardnesses, with colors like blue, red, orange, and green. Some are designed with a special coating to enhance their cleaning capabilities or durability. This is the manual process of condenser tube cleaning. This is what it looks like inside the condenser unit. Now we're done servicing. This is the sight glass to see the ball condition when the pump activated. Well, see you on my next video. Hope you enjoy watching this. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.